Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Liquid Web. Liquid Web is a platform where you can purchase hostings and you can like domain services, and they are providing so many services right now. But you should buy any hostings on this platform or not, and what are the major precautions you should take while using any kind of services on this platform. Okay, so you can see over here they are listed on Trustpilot, and they have like you can say like 11% negative reviews. So first of all, I would like to request you, please read all the negative reviews, why they have and some negative reviews. But as our research, I recently you can say making a research on this you can say like platform, and one of our YouTuber in India, most popular you can say like YouTuber amativai.net, he is recently done a video on this topic, like which hosting is very good for you can say like for your services and all. So he has mentioned this website on their you can say like research, and he's complaining like this website is not for Indians. Okay, this website is only work for you can say like other countries, or you can say like it is an international level. And when he invest money in their you can say like hosting, his money is deducted from their account, and they have not provided any kind of you can say like hosting to Indians. Okay, so basically if you are Indian, you are not able to get hosting on this platform. First of all, this is the first thing. Okay, and if we talk about like other factors, that is like if you are outside India, then you can make a purchase. There is no problem, there is speed, each and everything is looking good. But if we talk about like if you have already purchased any kind of hosting on this platform, how you can get your money back? So basically you will get your money after you can like 1 week. They will already they will refund your money in your account. Okay, so this is the information. And if we talk about you should buy any hosting on this platform or not, yes, you can make a you can say like hosting, or you can say like you can purchase any hosting, or you can make any kind of website on their because like platform. They are really good in the you can say like hosting names, and they are very strict in their policies. So if you are going to use their service, please be stay away please be you can say like be precautious. And if you are going to make any kind of mistake, they will suspend your account very soon. Okay, so you need to be very careful if you are going to use their platform. Be you can say like be honest, and don't try to make any kind of spams and all, otherwise they will suspend your account. So they are very strict in their policies. Okay, so this is the information, my dear friends, and if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. And if you have any experience with this platform, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.